Good morning, everyone. I hope all are well and good. I hope you're done with your first internal. It was very easy, I think so. So, let us continue our class today. That is the purchase and sales letter. My dear students, in our previous class, we have discussed about the inquiry letters. So, let us discuss in our today's class purchase and sales letter. On receiving the various quotation from different suppliers, the inquirer has to study each one of them and select the one which is reasonable for them, okay, which is suitable for them and which is feasible. So while analyzing the quotations and factors, he considered the price, quality, minimum quantity required to get the maximum concessions, distance, method of payment, mode of transportation, etc. So usually he select preference wise to get his required quantity of goods from the suppliers. Okay, so therefore order letters are those which indicate a kind of a direction to suppliers to dispatch the selected goods and services. So those includes quantity, quality, price, place of delivery, mode of transport, method of payment, name of banker, etc. So let us discuss today purchase and sales letter. Purchase means ordering. Okay, ordering the order for receiving the goods after verification of quotations. So which is suitable for them. There are three types of orders. Okay, one is maiden order. Okay, so types of orders are maiden order, repeat order, regular order. Okay, maiden order means it is an order placed with the new suppliers for the first time on receiving the quotations. Assume that you have received 10 quotations. Okay, in that 5 are your old suppliers and 5 are new suppliers. So if you select or if you like the new supplier's quotation, if you place the order for the first time to the different supplier for the new supplier, that is maiden order. The next one is repeat order, as its name indicating repeat order. It's an order placed for the second and third time, okay, with the same supplier with the variation in quality, quantity, price, etc. Okay, but information is remains same. And the next one is regular order. So it is a request for the supply of fixed quality quantity of the particular goods at stated the time gap, okay, as per the same price, existing price, and other terms and conditions are agreed in the beginning only. Okay, so these are three types of orders, my dear students. This is 5 marks question. Maiden order, repeat order, regular order, three types of order. Okay, so after sending this order letters, so execution of order means once the seller receives the order, okay, execution of order letter. Okay, so these are the letters on receiving the order from the customers. As far as possible, quick steps will be taken for its execution and dispatch of goods, okay, if they readily available. So every order is the best opportunity to prove our worth and establish a long standing business relation. So here in execution of order, you should thank the customer for the placing of order, mention the dispatch of goods, okay, especially specific time we should mention, and then refer the prompt payment, invoice that specify the same invoice is sent through bank, and state that total amount due as per the invoice. Okay, so appreciate the customer and request for the repeat order. If there is delay in execution in order, then give them a reason, explain the situation, specify the next date, give assurance, make a reference inconvenience. Okay, so if the order is delay in execution of order. If the order is to be executed in part, means only if you send only half goods, part of the goods, then state the reason, for that, and they specify the again time, ask for the confirmation and cooperation, etc. So here is a 15 marks question what we have to discuss, that is the Balaji Watch Company Tirupati placed a trial order with the Titan Watch Company Belagavi for watches of different models. Draft a letter. You should draft a letter. Okay, so before that, once again I repeat whatever we discussed in this session. So what is that? The first one is, as I said, we are dealing with purchase and sales letter. So while purchasing, what we do? We place the orders. So these are the letters which indicate the kind of direction to suppliers to dispatch the selected goods and services, which includes quality, quantity, price, a mode of transport, payment method, bank name, etc. Okay, I hope you got this in detail information. And what are the types of orders here? Maiden order, repeat order, regular order. Maiden order means here for the first time if you place the order. Repeat order means a second time, third time, fourth time for the old supplier only. Regular order means this is very oldest suppliers, means every time if you order to the same supplier regularly, okay, in between if you take the time gap, and if you order to the same suppliers continuously, okay, once in a month or twice in a year, like this continuously, if you order to the same supplier in between, if you take the time gap, then that is regular order. Okay, the next one is execution of order. This is been written by the suppliers. Immediately after taking the orders, he will write these are the letters addressed to the customers about dispatching of the goods as per the orders. Okay, so we have a 15 marks question, that is letters, writing letters on this. So I have given the question to you, that is Balaji Watch Company Tirupati placed a trial order with the Titan Watch Company Belgavi for watches of a different models. Draft a letter. I have given you the hints. Okay, I have given you the hints also how to write this. Okay, so here is I have given just started with the letter. I hope you all got the previous one. You have to continue with this. Okay, so Balaji Watch Company, this is the letterhead and date I have written here, and this is okay, so here is the manager Titan Watch Company Belagavi. Okay, this is the address we have written. I have given you the question. Please, my dear students, please draft a letter. Okay, so you have to draft a letter. Question is in front of you. Draft a letter. Let us see. Okay, I hope you understand this. And the next one is, that is order letter. This is an order letter. Okay, here they are ordering the watches, samples of watches. This is an order letter. So next we will continue in our next session. This question is for you, 15 marks question it is. This question is for you, and you have to write this letter. Okay, write the letter in a rough book or in a page. Okay, later I will give you the assignment on these only. So I hope you all understand, and please go through it and write a letter in your rough book. Write once, or else I will give you later, after completion of this third chapter, third unit, I will give you the assignments. So assignments are on letters only, these letters only: order letters, purchase letters, sales letters, okay, quotations, like this. Okay, so these letters you have to write yourself, and that will be your assignment of business communication after finishing of this third module. Okay, so I think and I hope that you all done with your first internal very well. So all the best, do well. Okay, for any confusion please contact. Okay, so to this I will conclude my session today's. Okay, thank you.